G'day everyone, my name is Greg Plant. Today we're here to run a quick interview with Jordan, who is the first of our graduates to complete his grad program. So, welcome Jordan.
Thank you, Greg.
Alright, we'll get into it. First up, what is it about Power Plant that enticed you to this grad program?
The opportunity really to go to numerous departments and broaden my horizon, not in just one aspect, but in multiple, and really understand what I'd like about it, I think.
And did it live up to your expectations? Did the program hit the mark?
It did, yeah. So I love the fact, like I said before, that I got to rotate through different departments. But the actual responsibility I got to take on was fantastic, and yeah, surpassed all expectations in that point of view, definitely.
And the different placements you had around the business, would you like to elaborate a bit on what they were and what?
Yeah. So there's four main departments. I'd say we had public lighting, which do numerous public lighting designs with Vic Roads, ACE3000, Vesi and distribution. So I was first introduced to that, which gives you a great starting point. I then moved into project management, which we have split into major projects and URD, and that was fantastic. It gives you a really good look at your construction side instead of office based, so that deepens my horizons quite a bit. Third one was URD, so I'd done a bit of project management on the URD side, and then I got to actually design some, that was fantastic. And then the last one is what I'm currently just finished, which is asset relocation. So that involves underground and overhead, all design wise, with a bit of surveying as well. So yeah, you get the full package.
All very busy areas too.
Yeah.
And what do you think? What have you got out of it? What have you enjoyed most about the program?
I like the flexibility of it. So I mentioned before how you get to go in different departments, but if you really want to learn something, it's backed. So I mean, there's numerous times where I've been unsure of something, and I'd like to go to site, and as long as you're willing to learn, then it was always respected and always helped that go in that direction.
Challenges, there's been plenty of them. What do you think has been the most challenging part of your rotation?
There's always going to be challenges in everything. I mean, if you want to learn, you've got to get to nitty-gritty stuff. But I think being a consultant is learning your responsibility to others, because you're dealing with other consultants, authorities, Vic Roads, councils, and you end results the same, but they have different expectations and requirements. I think really assessing that situation was a big challenge, to be honest. Excellent.
Certainly come through. Part of the grad program being the grad project. Can you tell us a little bit about your grad project and what you got out of it?
Yeah, so I did two. The main one that I was focused on at the start was an audit app. So I actually helped come up with NCs, both by going through past failed audits and experience going out on site, and then coming up with ways we could identify them and basically give it to the client and show them what they need to improve on, what they can fix, and just a QA really. Yeah,
but if I might add to say that it's a very smart way of going about collecting a lot of information using software and app.
Definitely,
and to being able to publish those audit results very quickly,
and
in a way that really brings about resolution. So that was a great initiative, and it's certainly proved to be of great value to us.
No, thank you.
And after having been through the grad program, what do you see as being next for you? If you look a little bit ahead and a long way ahead, what do you see for yourself?
I personally like the project management route. Now that I've finished, I've been in talks with yourself and other managers, and I've definitely believe that I want to become a project manager, so I want to go further in the study with that as well. But I know that I've got to bring experience with that, so I want to build up my experience, and while I'm doing that, maybe take some night courses or do a diploma online just to really add it together. And that's where I see myself going.
Excellent. Well, I can say on behalf of Power Plant that you've been an outstanding graduate. You've done an amazing job wherever you've been. You've always put in a great effort, and you've also delivered great results. So on behalf of the business and of our customers, thank you and well done.
Thanks, Greg.
No worries.
Thank you.